people from 20 different countries. We're here in Tallinn only until Tuesday. We have a performance tomorrow night at 7 o'clock at the Rodia Concert Hall at 7. We hope to see you there.
Them and us.
Single step, step.
1,000 miles, somebody said. Stop when we take a single step. 1,000 reasons to begin to move ahead. It's where you're going and where you've been. Just the beginning of the end. Another road, another chance to move ahead. Chance to move ahead. Oh, 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 single step. Oh, 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 single step. Up with people. You need it whenever you go. Up with people. They're the best kind of ones we know. If more people were for people, all people everywhere, there'd be a lot less people to worry about.
do community service. We travel to a different city every week. We stay with host families and we perform a show. So one more time, we want to invite you to our show tomorrow night at 7 o'clock at the Nordia Concert Hall. It's a 2-hour performance, good for the whole family, with songs and dances from all over the world, our own Alba People songs, and pop music from the 60s to today. We hope to see you there. Thank you so much.